Hey guys, how's it going? It is I, the real Randy Chavez, coming at you with a Tesla stock update video. I kind of did as much reading as I could within the last couple of minutes on Q3 earnings. That's what we have today. I think the call is actually still going on. I'm just making this video just because I'll go through in depth the call and do everything. But some basic numbers that we have right now is that Tesla gross margins, excluding credits, is 23.7%, and Tesla has a page on their actual report that says, "Dear everyone who didn't know what they saw at Battery Day." That is an actual page in the report. As far as GAAP, 331 million of GAAP net income, and 397 million in regulatory credits, down 7% from last quarter, which is fine. Again, Tesla's proving that they don't need regulatory credits to be profitable, and this also proves that they didn't need to basically discount their cars. They didn't need to slash prices. They did that because they wanted to. They wanted to make it more available to people. And they don't need to say oh, the demand is low, we need to cut prices. That's not what happened. They cut the prices because technology improved a bit. So they can afford to do that and still have a good margin. It was up over 196% year over year as far as I think revenue. I think that's for. Now, it did have a $5.9 billion increase in cash, bringing the total cash on hand to $14.5 billion. $14.5 billion in the treasure chest. That is what they have. I'm so freaking excited. Now, they had record deliveries, record profitability, and record free cash flow. The operating free cash flow less capex, or the operating cash flow less capex, which free cash flow is 1.4 billion, so 1.4 billion in free cash flow. This is absolutely incredible. I am absolutely stunned just based on these numbers, not having gotten a hard edit into like a hard look at it, which I will at some point tonight. Now, as far as the stock goes, this is really, really interesting. The stock was kind of up and down, and I really should have sold Fastly to buy another one. At the lowest it was like 422, I think, and the highest it went up was up to 431 during the day. Ended the day at 422, and then after hours, I feel like it's a little bit underwhelming. I mean, it's been up and down for a couple of up and down for the last few hours, but I think as people really get into it, they see okay, Tesla does not need regulatory credits to be profitable. They don't need to cut prices to increase demand. Demand's already there. They just do that because the technology got better. So this is something that if anyone saw the release of the Hummer or from GM or any electric car company or company that's trying to make electric cars but can't because they don't have the talent, Tesla just absolutely blows them out of the water. They have no competition. They're 5 to 10 years ahead in battery technology and full self-driving technology and price. At some point, every car company will have full self-driving. Tesla's not going to be the only one to have a monopoly on that for years. I mean, they will for a little while, but eventually they'll license it out. It'll catch up. This is something that you're going to have. I think you're going to see 10x inside of 10 years. Why am I selling half of my Tesla for that? Because I believe Pokemon will grow much quicker. So I will try to liquidate half of it to get a Pokemon card, and then in a couple of years, liquidate the Pokemon card, buy more Tesla. And again, this is all really just so that, in X amount of years, I can sell either some Tesla or, Pokemon card or two, get 500 grand, buy a wilderness area in Madagascar where there are lots of endangered species in an attempt to save those species. So this could all technically just be for nothing if those species die, but I at least want to try, and this is how we're doing it. All right, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. Comments are good for the YouTube algorithm. I love you all. Clash dismissed. Oh, yeah, there's Tandle again.